It's my Spanish powder trying to go down. Watch. That's my Spanish powder. She's really trying to go down. She's really trying to go down. Come on, mommy. That, oh man, that's the husband right there. That's a Quinteron. Oh, she went on the tree. Good. Smart girl. Smart girl. And there you go. Is she going down? Is she going down? She's really trying to come down. It's so windy. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Yeah. Good girl. And now I have a husband, a cock, the Quinteron, flying with the homers. That's a buchon right there. For those who say that buchones are dumb, look at my buchones. Look at my buchones flying with the homers in windy. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. It's so windy. It's so windy. Ooh, ay, 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 ay.